Beetroot juice are low-calorie juice as they're rich in iron, vitamins and minerals. In this video, I'll be showing all how beetroot juice is made. I'll also be discussing some of its health benefits with you all, and the fifth one will interest you the most. To make this beetroot juice, these are basically what I'll be using. Medium size of beetroot, cucumber, carrots and ginger. So just go ahead and prep them up. For the carrots, I'll be peeling the back using the kitchen peeler. This will enable us to get rid of some extra dates. For the beetroots, I'm also peeling the back in order to reduce the earthy flavor. So just go ahead now and cut everything into smaller chunks just for easy blending. Please, just in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Joy Binding, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you very much, guys. So next I'll be transferring everything into the blender. I'll also be adding a little water to it in order to aid the blending process. Then cover and allow to blend properly. While that's blend, let me tell us more about the health benefits of consuming this juice. They are rich in antioxidant properties, which helps to prevent the body cells from cancer. They are high in fiber, which is essential for good digestion. They are high in nitrates, which helps to boost exercise performance. They are rich in iron, which is essential for red blood cell formation. They also help to improve the health of the liver as they help in the detoxification process and reduce fatty deposits in the liver. There are other health benefits of consuming this juice, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, I'll be straining the puree through this fine sieve in order to get the juice. So I'll be discarding the chaff, and our beetroot juice is pretty much ready. It's best served in the morning or before an exercise. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.